And the thing that impresses me about David is he cares. He really cares about us. I'm sure he cares about all of his people that he trains, but his passion is this Parkinson's disease workout.
The difference with, I think, this program and working with David, besides his enthusiasm, is that he has such a wide experience with a whole people with Parkinson's at all levels, that he brings what others can't. And then he uses that experience to develop something that fits me.
David has just such a great personality. Always shakes hands. First thing when you walk in the door, you get that big smile, how are you? Shakes hands with everybody that comes in the door. And it never stops. He's just full of energy and humor and optimism. And that's so rewarding and helpful to everybody I'm sure he comes in contact with.